Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to LAX. Welcome to the pig pen where the Lyft event is taking place. Here's the Lyft little tent. And here are the drivers trying to get their glow. A lot of really cool merchandise. Not t-shirts, tumblers, bags, eyeglasses, air fresheners, cleaning supplies. They came prepared. Thank you, Lyft, much appreciated. And not the least is free tacos. If you guys were LAX or LA, and I announced it last 2 weeks on Show Me the Money, and you guys are missing it, not my problem. And there are a whole bunch of nice Lyft people helping people to get their glows. There are a bunch of people from Lyft. Jeremy's here, who I interviewed a couple of weeks ago on the channel, and this here is the pig pen. Look at this disaster. Look at this, wall-to-wall, double, triple parked. Wall-to-wall people waiting for trips, not all for Lyft. So there we go. There we go. Oh, maybe I'll get to talk to some drivers. And here's Jeremy. And here's that. Okay, we're set up right. We're set up right at the landing strip, or under it anyway. And here's the TCP lot. Maybe I'll get to talk to some Lyft execs.
Be right with you, dude.
And then, yeah, that should be fun.
Like, I watch your channel, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Right with you.
Thank you. I can shake your hand. How are you?
Free food over there. Good.
How you doing?
I didn't get any of this.
Here you go. Perfect.
Oh, I didn't see your bag.
Interview. How you doing?
Hi, I recognize you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Hope you're learning something. Hope you're learning. Hope you're learning how to decline and recline.
Oh, yeah.
Please do. Yep, there's Joe. How are you?
Hey,
Nice to see you.
Good, good. Thank you for your patience. How are you? Huh? They just. Sorry. Actually, yeah, we're not.
What are you passing around, sir?
These are just information panels just showing changes and how everybody's going to take some more money home. You try.
Nothing wrong with that.
No.
Nothing wrong with that.
You're up next. I'll be right with you.
Look at the taco line, bro. Sure hope they have enough tacos for me. I'm starving. I'm starving. Oh, there's a face I know. There's a face only mother could love right there. Look at this. Here's Ben from Lyft. Ben, say hello to our audience.
How we doing?
Introduce yourself, sir.
I'm Ben Metcalf. I'm head of city operations and off-platform, which is the driver community team at Lyft.
Awesome,
Yeah.
awesome. Here's Lyft people working hard. Say hi, hello. We're gonna go catch. They're taking information for the glow, Lyft glow people. And you guys are out of stuff. And here's the line. Hello.
Yeah. Does not pay nearly enough. Especially when I have to sit in a seat. the earnings that you guys have started rolling out this year.
The earnings
Well,
commitment.
like, yeah. So I'm getting some of that.
Yeah.
Here's the pays, the bonus.
What's the fee? What's this?
This is like the to cash out.
What do you
Is it good?
Yeah.
So hungry.
Okay. I'm going to talk to Jeremy in a minute. This is an amazing idea, actually, that Lyft is doing this. Lyft is going to do this in a lot of different cities, and I think it's a wonderful idea to get into touch with people who are paying their salaries. I have no question that this should continue. So if you guys missed this one, there will be others. No worries, I will announce it on the channel. And Ben is doing hard work.
My question was.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, you're too tall, bro.
Show me the money.
Show me the money, baby. Show me the money. There's... You may get a bag. That's about it, I think. Tacos, I'm not sure. The line for tacos is longer than the bag. I should have their contract for the merchandise. That's it. Huh? Right there. He's being taken hostage by a driver at the moment. Yeah. As long as we're moving, we're good. As long as we're moving, we're good. Those are all the good Lyft folks working for you guys. Don't ever forget, you guys are paying their salaries. No doubt about it. Oh, there comes another one. There comes another one. There's Jeremy in flesh. I sure hope I have enough tacos. I'm starving out here. Tacos. Did Kyle go back? Well, I'm pretty sure they're good. Hopefully they don't run out of it. Yes, I got that. I got a trip to LAX this morning from my house, literally. And it went 20 minutes over. And I got paid, I think, $6 extra, which I would have never gotten before. So that's a good change. And these are all the people for the Lyft Glow. We got to talk to Hey, how are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
How you doing?
Every day watch you.
Oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I don't know anybody's name, so I'm sorry, but what's your name?
My name is Alex.
Okay, cool. Of course. No, you take the picture because I'm taking video actually doing live stream. Say hello.
Please picture.
Picture. Let's do it.
Yeah?
Okay, let's go this way. You have two phones, sir. Yeah. No shenanigans. I'm taking your picture, you're taking my picture.
1, 2, 3. One more?
Sure.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Cool.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Good to see you.
Have
Good
a
to
nice
meet you.
day.
Thank you.
so much. Double like.
Triple like. Triple like, baby. Oh, there's Jeremy in flesh.
Well, this county is the most.
Yeah.
So, but it's not an excuse. It's just,
Yeah, I'm back.
There's a fan. Say hello to the RideShare Guy. There it goes.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Any more lights?
The lights. They're doing the lights over here.
Set up, thanks for your patience. It's open again.